Hello and welcome to Bitcoin US dollar technical analysis. So first of all, I want to say a big thank you to all of you, and because this weekend we hit 50 subscribers, and this really means a lot to me, and I'm glad that you enjoy my videos, and I hope that I can continue to produce videos that you enjoy, and that we have nice and fruitful discussions concerning Bitcoin, gold, and all the other nice things that are around. So let us jump right into Bitcoin. And in my last video, I posted just a short update concerning this drop down. So Bitcoin bounced off this price area right here, got back up, back down again, bounced off this again. So this price area is definitely very important. But if we have a closer look, we can see that basically we have to go really close for this. That basically this trend line is even more important. So even though Bitcoin dipped below this trend line, we can see that all the bodies of the candles are really just at this trend line. So we can see this trend line is really, really important for Bitcoin, and so far it has been stable, and Bitcoin stabilized above this trend line. But we will have to see what the following days bring, and in my opinion, another dip down below this trend line would be really, really unnecessary, as I really hope that Bitcoin from here goes up all the way to this trend line up there to finish off this really long wave 3 all the way from down there, and then go into a correctional move to maybe retest this trend line again, and from there break through this trend line, and for once and for all start a new upwards move with a lot of momentum, and reach new highs for a long time, since 2018 basically. I just want to get into those trend lines again just a little bit more in detail. So this trend line right here, this blue one, is the trend line that has been dominant for almost or for more than half a year, and has been the lid on Bitcoin basically. So we pretty much came off this high in June of 2019, and ever since then this trend line has been really, really dominant and put Bitcoin back in terms of its capabilities and charts, price movement possibilities. So the fact that Bitcoin broke this and has retested it so many times, and every time Bitcoin gets bought and well above this trend line, this is a really, really strong sign for Bitcoin, in my opinion, for the moment. And so it is not unlikely that we go up here and test this trend line. So this trend line, just the next one, has been this trend line basically. So it started here, Bitcoin bounced off there, and bounced off there almost, exactly, and bounced off there again and broke it. And so we got down and produced this low, which was the low of the correction wave Y so far. And then we got up to this X wave, a correctional pattern, and this B wave pretty much bounced off at this trend line again. So if we get back up there, this trend line, there's a good chance that this is of importance for Bitcoin's movements. So if we place the 3 up here, right now it's in the price area of $10,800 approximately. And this is definitely a target for Bitcoin to hit and then bounce off again for the moment. So that's at least what I expect. And if we view this as wave 1, there's a good chance that this wave 4, so just by the rules of Elliott waves, this wave 4 could go all the way down to the high of this wave 1, which would be pretty much this price area at $7,688. So following this move up could follow a very, very deep correctional move to retest all of this and finally confirm the bullish potential of Bitcoin, and so Bitcoin could move up from there. However, if Bitcoin decides to, for whatever reason, go below this trend line. I mean, there are some price areas that offer a little bit of support, and this trend line, of course, but there's still the possibility that this was not the end of wave Z, and that wave Z could produce a new low. So far, this has been at around $6,400, but this is definitely a target which is enough. So wave Z does not have to go lower, but if Bitcoin decides to drop down, there's a good possibility that even this gets surpassed, so we could reach a target of $5,800 approximately. So if this is the case, Bitcoin's correctional wave Z, which would go from there to $5,800, would be the same length and price as this wave W. Yeah, so this is the same length and price of this X to $5,800. So definitely a possibility, but in my opinion, as long as Bitcoin stays above this trend line, which it perfectly did during the last couple of days, basically, and especially even most of the time above this EMA 200 in the hourly chart. So this looks really constructive and like a good movement, which should lead to this area above $10,000 in my opinion. And yeah, the only difficulty right now is, in my opinion, how do I count this? Is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is it not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Are those multiple 1, 2s? I'm really not sure at the moment. But yeah, we will just have to wait and give Bitcoin some more time to unfold its movements. But yeah, we can see that this price area at $8,460 definitely very important. So if Bitcoin goes below this trend line and even breaks this could produce some serious downwards momentum and maybe lead Bitcoin all the way down to 7,690 or something. And from there, Bitcoin could go up again. Definitely another possibility. But yeah, we will just have to see and wait again. Yeah, basically. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin today. A little bit of a longer video. Just wanted to go over a couple more details with you guys. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and of course, see you soon.